Hey, you see this? You see this right now, bro?
You're not sitting on it, are you? Yeah, that's because the owner did it. The owner's running here right now. He's running around the corner. You better get. I know you're the owner. You're letting him sit on that? You can do what you want with it. We're gonna play a game, guys. If you lost the wallet, you're gonna go see. I don't know where she's going with it, but
hey, let me get that wallet. Let me get that wallet real quick.
Yeah, well, she has it. I said leave it with me, but she wants to take it, so she has it. So we're gonna play a game, ladies and gentlemen. Reach into your pocket, and if you do not have your wallet, come see DJ Rich.
That's not the name of the game, bro.
No, you want to just spend money on someone else's dime? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit it. Look at me up with some flips, guys, so I can make some announcements. Up at the Full Throttle 10 Class Spike Show, guys, at the Full Throttle 10. Trophies are given out at 8:30. Stop by the Fran House 10 for a chance to win a Harley Davidson tote box. That's going to be awesome. Two Wheels Roll Up Bike Night presented by Nico Brown Productions with Black Velvet Elites. Ladies and gentlemen, after party is in front of Rhythm Pounding Grill. Rhythm Pounding Grill. Oh, yeah. Get a 360 photo of your bike or your car or yourself at MG Spins, ladies and gentlemen.
Everybody put up hands
happens every last Wednesday of the month. The after party is in front of Rhythm on the Grill. Make sure you stop by the front hot tent.
for a chance to win a Harley-Davidson jump box.
They're really giving away a Harley-Davidson jump box. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, I can't believe that's a lot of money, bro. That's a lot of money.
Are you sure? Because you told everybody that Fran Haas was a criminal attorney and would do auto accidents.
I said if you need legal representation, right, in trouble for doesn't necessarily mean criminal. Although she does #1 accident representation for motorcycles and automobiles.
That's right. Dude, I'm on a diet. You drink Budweiser? You see my belly lifting? Try to cut back.